Hello guys, good morning. I-repeat lang natin dribbling skill natin today. Let's go. First guys, continuous cross 30 seconds. Pangalawa naman, continuous behind 30 seconds. Next guys, one dribble between alternate 30 seconds. Next guys, continuous between 30 seconds. Then next guys, between cross 30 seconds. Magkabilaan yan guys. Then next guys, between behind 30 seconds. Magkabilaan din yan guys. Next guys, behind cross 30 seconds. Magkabilaan din yan. Then next guys, cross between alternate 30 seconds. Between cross, between alternate. The next guys, between cross, between behind. Kabilaan po yan. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.